Hi everyone, this is Mark with Bindus Manufacturing, here to demonstrate how easy it is to adjust the cold water supply input on our heat pump helper universal plumbing kit. Right now, the way the board is set up is that the cold water supply is coming in from the left. We do give you the ability to rotate it 90 degrees and match the input and output for the water heater. So we're going to begin by loosening up the two union nuts on either side of the component. Note that there is a nylon washer on the side with the check valve. There is a rubber washer on the side with a mixing valve. While you're doing this, make sure neither one of them goes missing. Rotating it is as simple as loosening that up, flipping it the other direction. Note these are slip nuts, so if they come off, it's a matter of just sliding it right back on. To put it back together, put the nylon washer back in place, tighten it up, as a last step we're going to rotate the labels so they can be read from this direction, and we have now rotated the cold water supply to come in from the same side as the water heater as opposed to the same side as the domestic hot water output. Note that the mixing valve cannot be adjusted in the same way because it specifies which side receives hot water and which side receives cold water. So obviously we can't turn that over.